This elderly woman complains of ear pain and strange noises,
That's cold.
but doctors find something far more terrifying. Agnes, a 64-year-old woman, complained of unbearable ear pain to her daughter Odessa. "There are so many strange noises in my ear," she whispered fearfully one evening, tears streaming down her face. Alarmed by her mother's distress, Odessa wasted no time. She rushed Agnes to the emergency room, silently praying it wasn't anything serious. When they arrived, the nurse immediately recognized the urgency of the situation. Minutes later, a doctor was called in to examine Agnes. Agnes was panicked, gripping the doctor's arm so tightly that her fingers turned red with pain. "I didn't mean for this to happen, I swear," she said. "There's something so strange inside my ear. It's driving me mad with pain." After a brief examination, the doctor speculated that it might be a bug. As the doctor tried to extract what he thought was a bug, he suddenly stopped. A cathedral-like silence spread throughout the room because what he was observing was much more terrifying.